In this video, I'm going to show you how the auto scroll to first error within any form looks like. This feature works within forms, surveys, as well as quizzes. So if somebody forgets to input a particular data point that you are asking within the form, and let's say it's an application form, for example, and it's a very long form, and people don't really know what they forgot or what they typed wrong, then this feature will help the person who's submitting the form to jump straight to that box where the error is or where the missing information needs to be inserted. This feature reduces friction, especially on mobile, because there you would need to scroll a lot longer to search for that field, and increases the submission rate. Let me show you how that looks like. So this is a simple opt-in form. Here we have added our name and our email, and we have not inserted our phone. So the system tells us, hey, phone number is required. Once we have added the phone number, the red arrow disappears. Next up, we have a survey. Let me show you how that looks like within a survey. So let's fill out a few data points. Let's on purpose forget the phone number and the email, for example. So let's checkmark this box. And here you can already see the system tells us, hey, you also need to agree to terms and conditions, which is the second box. And then the error disappears. Let's try to hit next. And we can't. And here you see the system jumps straight back to the fields that are being empty. So that's what I meant earlier by the user doesn't need to scroll up anymore and look for the field that is empty. All right. So let's add the phone number. Let's hit next, and it jumps back to email because we also didn't insert the email just yet. And the same goes for a quiz. Here we have a quiz, for example. Let's add our data. Let's hit next. And the phone number is invalid because I didn't put the country code. So let's put a country code. Let's hit next. And ta-da, we are being forwarded to the next slide. If we click next without choosing an answer, look what happens. Here we go. The system asks us, hey, you need to insert your answer right here. It's required. This obviously just works for the required fields, right? It doesn't work for the unrequired fields. And also it does work within a funnel page if you embedded the forms inside the funnel page. So as you just saw, it works also for multi-step surveys and multi-step quizzes. And no, you don't need to turn on this feature. It's been enabled automatically already. Now you may be wondering about what happens with logical condition if any of those forms entail logical condition, right? The answer is only visible required fields are being validated. If new required fields appear after the answer has changed, a new submit attempt will auto scroll to the first invalid one. And that's it already. This is our feature which will help you to gather more submissions within your forms. And if you haven't signed up for HighLevel just yet, or you're looking to upgrade, consider using our affiliate link because it comes with amazing bonuses you don't want to miss out on. I will see you there.